This is the AI News Flash for June 17th, 5 p.m. UTC. First up, Amazon Web Services unveiled a wave of new AI agent services at the AWS Summit in New York 2026. The headliners include AWS Continuum, which automatically finds and fixes code vulnerabilities, AWS Context, a knowledge graph that maps relationships across databases, Slack and email, and Amazon Quick Autonomous Agents, which run business tasks on their own with no coding required. On its Bedrock Agent Core platform, task volume grew 15 times over the past 6 months. AWS Transform eliminated 1.6 million hours of manual work for customers like BMW and Experian, and the PGA Tour says it now writes tournament coverage 10 times faster.
Swami Sivasubramanian, VP of Agentic AI, said the more you use the agents, the more you get done because more interactions give them more context. Enterprise AI is moving in earnest from pilots to full production.
Next, a Meta executive leading the consolidation of the company's internal AI tools is leaving, according to an internal memo seen by Reuters. Emily Dalton-Smith was named just this past April to lead the so-called AI for Work transformation. Her role was to consolidate and improve Meta's internal AI tooling and embed AI agents into daily work, and she had been with the company since 2015. The backdrop is CEO Mark Zuckerberg's sweeping, AI-centered restructuring. Meta cut about 8,000 jobs, roughly 10% of its workforce, in May, with massive AI spending and layoffs proceeding side by side. The departure of an executive central to that AI overhaul reflects the internal strain that comes with such a rapid pivot. Third, U.S. Senator Mark Kelly has added an amendment to the defense bill requiring human control over AI-powered weapons. Kelly, an Arizona Democrat and former Navy combat pilot, would codify the 2023 Pentagon Directive 3000-9, mandating human oversight of autonomous weapons that operate without human intervention. It blocks any effort to remove humans from the kill chain, from target identification through engagement. This follows a June 5th memo in which President Trump ordered the Pentagon to eliminate unnecessary barriers to rapid AI deployment. The amendment passed the Senate Armed Services Committee 18-9 and now heads to the full Senate. Notably, Kelly himself voted against the final defense bill, citing its $1.15 trillion price tag and a lack of transparency. Finally, University College Dublin in Ireland has developed an AI tool called BIOTOPE to identify severe pneumonia in children. It uses a machine learning random forest model that weighs breathing rate, temperature, heart rate, oxygen levels, nutritional status, and household conditions together. Trained and validated on more than 2,500 children at primary care clinics in Malawi, it significantly outperformed existing risk assessment methods. Pneumonia kills nearly 1 million children under 5 each year, and current guidelines can miss the seriously ill. The study, which involved the World Health Organization and Malawi's health ministry, was published in the journal PLOS Medicine. Designed to slot into local health systems with no extra administrative burden, it could save lives in regions with scarce medical resources. That's all for this AI News Flash.